Finally, guys, Claude Opus 4.8 is officially launched, and I'm going to completely honest with you guys. It actually looks very good. If you are a developer building heavy agentic workflows or complex front-end applications, this model just shifted an entire landscape. It completely crushed GPT 5.5 and Gemini 3.1 Pro on the SWE benchmark coding test. But it's not just about raw benchmarks. Anthropic just introduced dynamic workflows, an honesty engine, and completely changed how effort level dictate code quality. Let's break down exactly what this means for your daily coding workflows. Okay, so let's get into it. First, let's talk about the effort level: low, medium, high, and extra high. A lot of developers run these models on low to save API cost, but you are sorting yourself in the foot. I ran a front-end UI test asking Opus 4.8 to build a complex React dashboard using Tailwind CSS and advanced GSAP scroll animations. When I ran it on the low effort tier, the DOM structure was okay, but the GSAP over effect and bounding boxes are completely misaligned. It was sloppy, but when I cranked the effort level to high and extra high, it flawlessly isolated the static logic. The animation fixed perfectly, and the UI was production ready on the very first shot. Even if you are doing heavy DOM manipulation, always cramped up the effort level. Now, here is the feature that is going to save you hours of debugging: the honesty engine. Most AI models are trained to sound confident, even when they are hallucinating or completely breaking your code. When you are building out complex Python systems like the multi-agent decisions routing or SQLite memory schemas we use for local AI assistants like Luna, a confident hallucinating will completely crash your environment. Opus 4.8 is actively trained to stop and say, I failed to complete this task, or I'm not fully sure how to execute this API call. In an autonomous agent loop, an AI that admits failure infinitely more valuable than an AI that lies about success. I hope you understand that part. But the biggest update by far is dynamic workflow inside Cloud Code. We are officially moving away from monolithic intelligence instead to trying to force one giant reasoning chain to code your entire app. Opus 4.8 can now autonomously plan a project and spin up hundreds of parallel subagents in a single session. It's break down your prompt like microservices. One agent handle the database, another writes the API routes, and another handle the front-end components, all executing and coordinating in parallel. Combined with this, their new fast mode, which is 2.5 times faster and 3 times cheaper, and you have an absolute powerhouse. Anthropic also teased that their highly classified Mythos model will be rolled out for cybersecurity works in the upcoming weeks. So make sure you have subscribed and you don't miss that breakdown. Also, if you want to hire me as a freelancer, you can just go to InnoSpark Media. And by the way, guys, the reason I am being late here because I am just busy working on an app that regarding our exercises. Okay, so it will be published soon on the Play Store, and I will try to be fast as soon as possible. Okay, so that's all about today's video, and we will make a trailer video about that part. So make sure to watch our video and subscribe our channel, and make sure to like the video as well. So see you in the next video, guys. Happy coding.